Hello, I'm Anna and I'm here today to show you how I've made this very beautiful autumn Halloween inspired display using our own homegrown and naturally grown dahlias and foliage collected. So we've created an arrangement that could be used as a top table or ceremony arrangement, or on a fireplace at home for a party. It all reads as one long arrangement, a rather large one, but actually it was all made with just one bucket of dahlias and half a bucket of foliage, and then we've added collected pieces such as the conkers and the Chinese lanterns, the physalis, and our homegrown squashes. So the whole piece reads as a very beautiful, moving tablescape. So we began the piece by collecting bud vases and laying them out across the table, quite widely spread, and then have created this arrangement by placing dahlias and foliage at different heights across the bud vases, but they're quite close together because we're using such large dinner plate dahlias, so actually they all look like they're together in one vessel. So down here we've got a bit of the very last pieces of Virginia creeper and grasses and hawthorn berries coming down the bottom at this end of the table, and then the piece undulating across and rising up the other end. So this is a very elongated Hogarth's curve shape, and it gives a really beautiful natural shape. It means the eye goes across the whole piece and doesn't rest on any one spot, which means it does read as a coherent arrangement. So that's a very easy, quick and effective arrangement. Gather lots of vessels, jam jars will do, you won't notice them, and create something like this at home or for your next event yourself.